y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a video on my hair, and no one really asked for this tutorial, but I kind of just learned how to use Flexi Rods and I'm kind of like really excited about it, so I want to make a video about it. But yeah, but all you're going to need is Flexi Rods. I got these from Walmart. These are from Goody, heat free, curls without damage. You don't need to get these because I got these at Walmart for $15. You don't need to do that. You can probably get them for like really cheap at the beauty supply store, so you don't have to get these. But I got the purple ones. Let me see if they talk about how big they are. They don't talk about how like the width or anything, but they're the purple ones and they're actually kind of skinny. And I used 4 for each side. So I used these for this side and then these for this side. And then aside from the Flexi Rods, you're gonna need a comb and a hair clip to section your hair. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is section your hair. If your hair is tangled, just detangle it before doing this. But I already brushed my hair out, so I don't have to. So you're gonna take your hair clip and section, and clip this section up, and then you're left with this, right? And you wanna make sure your sections aren't too big to where like the hair won't even like go on it. But you also wanna make sure it's not too small to the point where you're gonna have like 80 Flexi Rods on your head. Oh my gosh, look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh, I'm living. So I've only done this one time, and I've only done this one time, so I'm not great at it, but it's pretty simple. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So the way you're gonna put it on completely depends on the way you want your hair to curl. If you want your curl to go away from your face, you're gonna wanna go like this, like inward, like this. You see? And then you go up like that. But if you want your hair to curl towards your face, you're just gonna do it the opposite way and go like this. So just depending on how you want your hair to curl, whether away from your face or into your face, or away from your face or towards your face, you can pick and choose. It's the same thing, just a different direction. But I want my hair to go away from my face, so I'm gonna do like this. You can take it and then put your hair under it and then just go up like that. See, and this part is not really staying, so just put that back in. Oh Lord, you guys, not me messing up the tutorial. Okay, and then like this. So like I said, this is only like the second time of me doing this, so it's not gonna be like perfect, but yeah. So then when you're done, all you gotta do is bend them like that, and then it stays. And yeah, I'm gonna do another one just so you guys can see it again. So you're gonna want to take another section, your next section. So you're gonna want to take this and put it over here, and then you're left with this. So detangle, figure out the direction you want your curl to go in. So I'm gonna go like this. And the higher you start on your hair, the obviously the higher your curl is gonna start, but I just want my ends to be curled, so I'm not gonna do it all the way. Yeah. And then after you roll it up, just close it. Wow, looks so beautiful. So as well as this being a way to curl your straight hair without heat, it's also a way to like maintain your hair. So when I go to sleep, or even when I'm just at home, I wear my bonnet all the time. I never take this off unless I'm going out somewhere. Like even if I'm going to Walmart or I'm gonna go get food or something, I'm wearing a bonnet. And I feel like you should too, because I feel like it's a great way to protect your hair. And ever since I've started wearing one, I've definitely noticed a significant difference in how long my hairstyles last, how soft my hair is. I don't get as much breakage, and I just feel like it's a really, really good way to protect your hair. So this is what I look like on a day-to-day basis. You know, I don't wear any makeup. I wear my bonnet and my pajamas to all my Zoom classes, you know. But yeah, so this is how I go to sleep. This is how I spend my day. This is how I maintain this, and it works for me. You know, I sleep crazy. You know, like I go to bed in one position and I'm practically on the floor, you know, when I wake up. So I do sleep really weird, and you know, I haven't had an issue. It doesn't hurt. There's only like, what, there's 4 on each side, so there's only 8 in here. It's not anything crazy. And to be honest, if you get bigger ones than I did, because I got skinny ones, if you get bigger ones or like thicker ones, you could probably get away with using 2, 3, depending on your thickness of your hair, and you'll be good. So I just thought I'd take them all out just so you guys can see how easy it is to take them out. So all you do is this. These have fallen a bit just because when I was taking my bonnet off the first time, it was like really bad. Oh, not just getting tangled, but so this is what they look like. The curls look like. I'm gonna brush them out a little bit. Ooh. Oh my god. Sorry guys, oh. Why did I do that? Okay, if you go in and like do this, like if you have like naturally curly hair, you know, like the shingling method, it also works for like fake curls too. So there you go. Cute. This longer piece back here, this longer piece back here is like this way because this one fell out. So just ignore that. Let's just put that back here, and then look at that. I think it looks pretty good, you guys. Obviously it's not perfect since I took them out and then put them back in, but normally you wouldn't do that. See, oh my god, it's so pretty. But yeah, anyways, oh my god, this part looks so bad right here. We're just gonna ignore that part, okay, you guys? Just oh my god, it just keeps getting worse. Okay, whatever, that's good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial that nobody asked for. But yeah, this is how I maintain my silk press curled hair or whatever. Super easy, super quick. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I like it. I want it.